calculation that I did. So we noticed that the energy levels are given as h bar times omega. So I calculated that right here. So this is h bar times omega in my Mathematica file. Okay. And I wanted to convert it to wave number to the unit of centimeter, which I did through all of this stuff. And you'll do this in your Mathematica assignment. And so check it out. So just using the simple harmonic oscillator model, not even looking at the spectrum, I get that the frequency of transition for carbon monoxide to be 2145 wave number, and for HCl, 2882 wave number. That is damn close, really, really damn close to the actual wave number transition that's observed in real life. Okay, so think back to your OChem days. See, remember, go back and look at your notes if you have to. You'll see that when you have carbon triple bond, it occurs around 2100 wave number. When you have a hydrogen chlorine bond, it's occurring around 2900 wave number. A hydrogen oxygen bond occurs around 3300 wave number or so. So this is very, very cool. This is amazing to me, the stuff that can be predicted here just with this simple harmonic oscillator model. All right.